In this video I'm going to show you how to plate up the white chocolate profiteroles with salted caramel sauce. We need to open our kits up, find the salted caramel sauce, that goes on the plate first, and then the rest of the dish is built up around it. So we just take a nice spoonful of this sauce, just let it fall off onto the plate, into a dot at the top, and then with the bottom side of the spoon we're just going to pull it down towards us. And then we just need to take out our profiteroles. We're just going to sit those on either side of that line. We've got some poached kumquats, so they add like a little chocolatey orange flavour to the dish. They're quite bitter as well, so they sort of cut through the caramel quite a lot. So we'll have 3 or 4 of those on there. We've got a nice, rich, buttery orange curd in the bottle here. So we're just going to take off the cling film. Just shake it down a little bit. So this is going to add a sweeter, orangey flavour to the dish. We've got some chocolate soil. That's going to give us a little crunch. So we'll just tap a few bits off and let that fall into the gaps in the between. We've got some nice big pieces of honeycomb. And then we'll just finish that off with a little bit of green lemon balm. Add another citrusy level to the dish. And some nice vibrant colour. And there we've got our white chocolate filled profiteroles with salted caramel sauce, honeycomb and orange.